Welcome to Eduate. এইটো সেশনত আমি efficiency of packing or বিষয় পঢ়িম। Efficiency of packing. Efficiency of packing. অসমীয়াত ক'লে সংকুলনৰ দক্ষতা। Now what we have to study in efficiency of packing. In efficiency of packing we'll see what is the percentage of space occupied in a given unit cell. কোনো এটা একক কক্ষত কিমানখিনি জায়গা অকুপাই হৈ থাকে কিমানখিনি জায়গা খালি থাকে now we have earlier we find it three types of unit cell in cubic type in cubic unit cell that is primitive body center and face center is something like ccp or face center so we'll start one by one first we'll start in packing efficiency in FCC or it is called CCP ঠিক আছে FC পৃষ্ঠ কেন্দ্ৰিকত আমি প্ৰথমতে packing efficiency চাম এতিয়া চোৱা first of all you draw the figure this is considered to be a cubic unit cell only now in this unit cell we will draw a diagonal edal diagonal like to diagonal now take it as A B C D E F G H all right now this is an FCC structure in FCC what we find it the particles are at the corner and at the face center isn't it to draw this we divide this diagonal into three parts so that it becomes easy to draw the taking this as radius you first draw one circle here all right now taking these two as radius as a diagonal you draw the second circle and finally this one is the third circle so these are the particles at the corner and this is the particles at the face center now if we take this diagonal this edge diagonal as B and the edge length as A. Now as it is a cube, all the edge lengths are supposed to be the same. So we take one by one. The edge length equal to A. The diagonal AC equal to B. Okay, we'll start now. Let us take this triangle ABC. This is a right angle triangle. ABC is a right angle triangle. In triangle ABC, আমি যদি পাইথাগোরাস সূত্র ব্যবহার কৰো তেতিয়ালে আমি কি পাও AC square equal to AB square plus BC square AB square plus BC square AB square BC square all are length now AC মানে আমি পালো B square আকৌ AB equal to A square and A square is it all right so what we are getting now B square equal to twice A square or simply B equal to root 2A all right B equal to root 2A now if we look at other point of view if R is the radius of the sphere এটা সোয়া যদি তুমি এটো radius বেখাৰ দাও is the radius how many radius are there in this B how many radius are there 1 2 3 4 চাৰিটা বেখাৰ দাম আমি পাও so that is why B equal to 4R is it clear B equal to 4R so B equal to 4R B equal to root 2A therefore root 2A equal to 4R or simply or A equal to 4R by root 2 which is give you 2 root 2R only A equal to 2 root 2R and that is the relation between A and R edge length and the radius it will hold তাৰ প্ৰান্ত দৈৰ্ঘ্য আৰু ব্যাসাৰ্ধৰ মাজৰ সম্পৰ্ক come to the next continued এতিয়া আমি আহো what is the volume of the unit cell volume of the unit cell what is the volume of the unit cell what is the volume of the unit cell volume is length into breadth into height now in this unit cell is a cubic type all the length are equal the volume of the unit cell is a cube now what is a 2 root 2 r whole cube 2 root 2 r whole cube that is the volume of the unit cell now it is familiar to you in FCC number of atom which is considered to be sphere number of atom is 4 isn't it tamane ei unit cell to 4 ta golok thakibo 4 ta sphere thakibo therefore volume of 4 sphere volume of 4 sphere is equal to 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube now what is 4 by 3 pi r cube is the volume of one sphere and into 4 tone 4 ta atomor ba 4 ta sphere volume yate occupy hoy ase so this is the space occupied within this unit cell and this is the total volume of the unit cell so what is the then packing efficiency of this CNC of this case is equal to volume of 4 sphere total volume of the unit cell volume of 4 sphere total volume of the unit cell into 100% now what is the volume of 4 sphere what is the volume of 4 sphere we have got this 4 into 4 by 3 pi r cube that is the volume of 4 sphere and total volume of the unit cell is 2 root 2 r whole cube into 100%. Now if we put all these values r will get cancelled and we put the value of pi then this calculation will give you the result 74%. Alright, so the 74% is the packing efficiency of FCC unit cell which means in FCC unit cell or CCP unit cell total 74% space is occupied and remaining part is remain vacant. Alright, so hope you have understood this. Then we go for the next point that is packing efficiency in BCC unit cell. Okay, next come to the next packing efficiency that is efficiency of packing in BCC body centered cubic. Alright, okay, first of all try to construct the structure in BCC. আঁকিবলৈ যত্ন কৰা okay this is the unit cell now there will draw two types of diagonal here one is the face diagonal এই face to এই পৃষ্ঠখনত এডাল আমি diagonal আঁকিম alright I'll put it A B C D A B C D গম পালানে A B C D তাৰ পিছত E F G H মন কৰা E F G H A B C D E F G H দেখিলানে তো আমি এডাল ডায়াগোনাল লাগিছো F D এখন bottom plane at the bottom plane now we will draw a body diagonal থেকে বডিটোৰ ঠিক মাজেদি যাব কোন ফালে যাব সোৱা A লগত আমি F কানেক্ট কৰিম মন কৰিবা A লগত F কানেক্ট কৰিছো ঠিক আছে তো ইট ইজ এ বডি ডায়াগোনাল ফ্ৰম হেই কৰ্নাৰটোৰ পৰা তুমি এনেকে গৈ প্লাই এটো কৰ্নাৰ ঠিক আছে that is a body diagonal now in body centered cubic atoms are at the body center so আকৌ হেই আগৰবাৰ নিচাকে আমি ইয়াতে তিনটা ভাগ কৰিলো alright because it is not necessary, but it make you help you to draw the circle which representing a sphere actually. If we take this radius, then this is one circle, right? And if we take this as two radius of this circle, then we have got this circle, and this is the third circle. Have you seen this? 18th circle. So this is the sphere present at the body center. Now we will take this triangle, a triangle to look. As it is, the edge length is considered to be A, just in the previous case. Face diagonal as B, and there is a body diagonal, there is additional diagonal, that is C. This is a C. So we will start one by one. That edge length is A, face diagonal DFD or DF, whatever, FD or DF is B, and body diagonal to hobo AF is C. Alright, এতিয়া আমি এই triangle to look. Itu agabar nisake, this is a right angle triangle. AFD in triangle AFD, you find that AF square equal to AD square plus FD square or DF square. Then AF square equal to C square AD. AD is a edge length, so it is A square, and this is a diagonal B square. Alright, C square B square. Now in the previous efficiency packing calculations in FCC, we have seen that B square equal to ki paisa. So B square equal to tumi paba twice A square, right? B square equal to twice A square. So C square equal to add kori diu, tete ami pao 3A square, or we can write C equal to root 3A. Alright, root 3A. That is the relation between C and A. As in the previous case, if R is the radius of the sphere, if R is the radius of the sphere, then C equal to again 4R. C equal to 4R, 1, 2, 3, 4 as it is. Therefore, write it here, this side. Therefore, root 3A, therefore root 3A equal to 4R, or A equal to 4R by root 3. Only now in BCC, first whole tomar volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell is the same. Volume of the unit cell. Volume of the unit cell is the same. A cube, which is giving us 4R by root 3 whole cube. And in BCC, number of atom equal to 2. FCCl 4, BCCl 2. Therefore, volume of 2 sphere is equal to 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube. 4 by 3 pi r cube. So, packing efficiency equal volume of 2 sphere into 100% by total volume of the unit cell or the cube. Now volume of the unit cell is this. Volume of the two sphere is 2 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, isn't it? And total volume of two sphere is equal to, this is the total volume of two sphere, and total volume of the cell is 4 by root 3 r whole cube into 100. So this will give you how much? 68%. Alright. So in BCC, what we have seen, in BCC the total space occupied is 68% and remaining percent remained vacant. So in FCC we have seen 74%, in BCC we will see 68%. So after this we will come for the next part, that is primitive efficiency packing in primitive unit cell. Alright. Now the efficiency, packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. Alright, packing efficiency in simple cubic unit cell. You just look at this. This is a diagram of a simple cubic unit cell. First of all, it is a cubic type arrangement, so that is why you need to draw the cube first. Here, in this type of arrangement, in this arrangement, we will find the particles are only at the corner. So we will draw two particles at the corner. These are the two particles at the corner. You mark it as A, B, C, D. We are taking this dimension in the other way now. Previously A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. ठीक है sir? As usual, the edge length is A. The edge length, let's just write it down. Edge length equal to A, radius of the sphere, radius of the sphere is R. If we take radius of the sphere, then what will find? These are the two R. Therefore, A equal to twice R. Then what will be the volume of the unit cell? Volume of the unit cell equal to A cube, which will give you 8R cube, isn't it? Twice R whole cube, 8R cube. Now in FCC, number of not FCC, it is a simple cubic. Number of atom in simple cubic, which is commonly called as primitive cubic, is 1. Therefore, volume of one atom is equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. Alright. Packing efficiency, volume of one atom by volume of the unit cell into 100%. Now what is the volume of the one atom? Is 4 by 3 pi r cube. And what is the volume of the unit cell? Is 8 r cube into 100, which will give you 52.4%. So what we have seen, that packing efficiency in simple cubic is 52.4%. So finally, what we have seen in three types of unit cell: in primitive, body centered and face centered. In primitive, efficiency of packing is 52%. That means 52% space is occupied, remaining space is not occupied. In body centered, percentage of efficiency is 68%, and in FCC, face centered cubic, which is also called as CCP, the percentage of packing is 74%. So out of this, FCC is the most efficient packing, isn't it? FCC or CCP. So up to this part you have got the idea about the efficiency of packing and how to calculate the efficiency of packing. Porikhat kintu etu upor question ahe, how to calculate the efficiency of packing either in the FCC case or in the VCC case or primitive case. Okay, there is one more part we need to discuss, that is we are going to discuss here, that is calculation involving unit cell dimension. Calculation involving unit cell dimension. Here you will see the relation between the density of the unit cell, edge length and mass of the unit cell. Those are the things we will find it out. Now first of all, we know the edge length of the unit cell, edge length of the unit cell is equal to A, isn't it? So therefore volume of the unit cell is equal to A cube. Next we need to see what is the mass of the unit cell. Mass of the unit cell. What is the mass of the unit cell? Mass is nothing, the number of atom present in that atom and mass of one atom. To mass of one atom into number of atom. What is the number of atom for primitive? Number of atom is 1. For body centered, number of atom is 2, or face centered, number of atom is 4. And mass of each of these atom, which we can take as mass of one atom is taken as m and number of atom is taken as z. Alright. The mass of one atom, eta poromanur bhor jodi ami lou, what is the mass of one atom? M is equal to m by n. What is m? M is the molar mass, anobik bhor. Jodi anobik bhor lou ami Avogadro number edi, Na is the Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number. Now, by knowing the mass and the volume of the unit cell, we can find out what is the density. What is the density D? Then density D equal to mass of the unit cell by volume of the unit cell. Alright. What is the mass we have seen? What is the mass? M into Z. M means M by N. So D equal to M by Na into Z. M by Na means mass into Z. That is the mass of the unit cell. And what is the volume of the unit cell? Is A cube, which is coming out to be D equal to, we have seen, M into Z by Na into A cube. So this is the relation we need to remember. That will give you the relation between the density, mass and volume of the unit cell with the edge length A. Alright, so up to this much we have seen that we can find out the density of the unit cell, we can find out the efficiency of packing, we can look at to almost all the part of this closed pack structure and all this unit cell type and whatever solid state is covered here. Hope you have understood this part, and if you can go through this part, you might have some questions. You can find it from the books if you have to learn something more about this. Alright.